Let me show you how to design this infographic slide in PowerPoint. We want to draw these three shapes. Let's start with the circle. Now draw the curved arrow and adjust it like this. Duplicate it and flip it vertically. Now draw the arrow and adjust it like this. In this section, draw a circle and cover the left side of arrows with it. Now select the arrows and circle, then from the Merge Shapes menu, select the fragment. While all the shapes are selected, deselect these three arrows, then delete the rest of them. Draw a rectangle and make 2 copies of it, then add 3 small circles to the slide like this. Add your icons and titles to the slide and also fill your shapes with different gradient fills. Now duplicate the slide and in the first slide, delete these 3 arrows and drag these shapes to the outside. Also, drag this circle to the center and add zoom animation to it, then select Start with Previous from the menu. Now go to the second slide and select all the arrows and add wipe animation in this direction to all of them and select Start with Previous. At the end, while the second slide is selected, add Morph Transition to it.